getting him?
Daddy, can you open this because it has tape on it? Daddy, can you open this because it has tape on it?
Not right now. Once our hunt's over.
Hello?
I want to make bubbles outside.
You ready? Okay, hang on 1 second. Brady just woke up too, and he's got a sweatshirt on. Come here, Brady. Okay, hold on 1 second. Hang on 1 second.
Nothing happened.
Okay, Kyle, Corey, are you ready? Grab your buckets. Okay, are you guys ready, Chief?
Yeah. Let's go.
Okay. Okay, bye. Bye.
Yeah.
Those the ones that you made?
Yeah.
And the Easter Bunny came out?
Yeah, but maybe there's some. Sorry, Gaia. Gaia. These ones is my teammates. Remember how we did that one? Remember how we made the other one? On the left and Zoe and my friend Starbuck. These are the ones I made.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter. Kyle, come this way. I think those might be for Everett. Kyle, come back this way. Kyle.
Kyle, I think I see some hidden really good over here.
Hey. Good brother.
Oh! I see one! Come and see this! Look at this! I found one! Yeah. I found one! Kyle, look at this one I got. I got a
Wow.
I got something. I got a snake. Oh, I gotta go look at it back.
Boys, come this way. Come this way.
This one! I can't see it!
Run. Run. No, not back there.
No, not back there.
The Easter Bunny doesn't go by the water. Come this way.
The Easter Bunny does not go there?
Not by the water. You missed some, I think. I see some by my foot.
Cold. You're getting cold.
Everett. Oh.
Everett's getting warm.
Oh, he found them.
Everett's getting warm.
Hey, Kyle. Corey. Kyle.
You believe that's Everett. Kyle, come this way. No, it's not. Kyle, come this way.
Look by my foot.
Oh, I found two. You did? Can I have one?
Corey, look in the bushes. Can you guys look over here?
Oh,
I
wow.
found one.
Oh.
I found an Easter egg. I found one.
Oh.
No.
Hey, Everett.
No, I did. I found one.
Maybe
I
you should
just
look in
found
there.
one. Two. I found one. You did. Can I have one?
Oh, maybe you guys should look over here.
I found one. I want to find one. Ah, there's another one. Kyle, there may be something. Ah, I found one. I found one. I found one.
Everett.
I found it. Can I have that one? I'm getting a lot of Easter eggs. I had for a lot of Easter eggs at home.
Oh, you always get upset about them being cracked. But you know, it's just part of it. It's part of the fun. Sometimes the Easter Bunny is so excited when they drop the egg, they get cracked. There may be some in front of our house.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Kyle, this way. Kyle.
In front of our house. Kyle? In front of our house. This is your house? baby. Happy Easter. Happy Easter.